What's up, YouTube? What's up, everybody? It's your boy Kanzi Beats right here with another awesome and amazing video for you guys. Making these videos, are really fun for me to do, and it's a really good experience for me also. Yeah. So last week I dropped my drum kit. Y'all can peep the drip. It's called Extension Drum Kit. So y'all go get yours right now. I'm gonna leave the link down in the description. Hey, so on today's video I'll be making a very simple but very nice bouncy beat. So let's get to my computer, or let's get to today's video. Hey, let's go. On today's video I have Nexus and we are on 130 bpm. So it's just gonna be a quick beat, and I have this preset already loaded up. It's called Jazzy Tune. So I'm just quickly going to get to it without wasting much time. Okay, let's go. So I think I'm gonna do something like this. Just gonna copy that over. So guys, I'm not just gonna leave it like this. It's gonna be too repetitive, so I'm just gonna do something down here. Okay, so I'm just gonna clone this. Yep, and then I'm gonna get something else. I'm just gonna get this, then I'm just gonna copy this and then paste it. Then I'm gonna take the bottom note out. So damn, it's too loud, so I'm just gonna take this out. Let me see if I should pitch it up. Yeah, I'm feeling the vibe, so I'm just quickly gonna take one of my hi-hats. Then I'm gonna do this, finish 2 steps, first of all. And then I'm just gonna copy this. Then I'm gonna make a hi-hat roll. Okay, I'm doing one here. Delete this. Take this, bring this over here. Okay. Bring this over here. Sorry. Okay. And then I'm gonna do this, chop this, okay. And then take it, okay. I'll do this. This. Bring this down. Okay. So delete this and then repeat this. Then I'm gonna do something at the end. Do something like this. Do this. Okay, Okay, now I'm gonna get this. Then I'm gonna get a bass melody. I'm gonna use a bass and an 808 for this. So I get bass, chord itself. Then I'm gonna do this. Quantize this. Then I want to make, you know, a slide right here. Then make it short. Then one also right here.
Oh my God!
Okay. I think I'm gonna change, you know, I want to change the snare. Okay, right, I'm gonna do, you know, I'm gonna get a kick. I'm just gonna get one of my favorite kicks. Okay. Sorry, turn this off. Then I also want a snare. I actually want to change the snare. Okay. I actually want to add something else to this. I'm gonna just get my flutes, a flute sound. So my favorite flutes. Okay. It's called the Chinese flute. Yup. So I'll just play something. Okay. Delete this. Okay. What I'm gonna do next is, you know, I want to add the 808s. So I'll just get this 808, cut itself, cut it, then turn this off, then get this, just follow the root notes. this one up. Then what I want to do is I'll clone this once more, and then just copy this, then paste it the same, but I'm gonna take this one down. Then I'll just okay, before I do that, I want to add an open hat. Okay. Oh my god, I'm turn this off, turn this whole off. Okay. Oh my god. So what I want to do is with this, solo this. I'm gonna route everything to my mixer track, and then for the first one I'll add ghost beats. I'm just gonna do the simple half speed. Okay. So guys, this is the finished beat. I'm gonna let you guys listen to the beats. Here it goes. Yeah, so this is the finished beat. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys learned something from the video. I really appreciate you guys for watching up to to now. I think it's about 10, 12, 13 minutes. I don't know, but thank you guys for tuning in. See you guys next time. Make sure to subscribe, subscribe, click the notification button so you can get notified for my next video. Hey, let's go.